Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hi. Hello. Hello, good evening. Good evening, good evening. And welcome again to our class. Bauhan. Wow, it's nice to see you again. So how are you today, Bauhan?
I'm good.
Yes. Wow, that's very good to know. That's very good. Did you already eat your dinner, Bauhan?
Yes.
Oh, is your name Rosie? Is your English name Rosie?
Yes.
Oh, what do you want me to call you? Do you want me to call you Rosie or Bauhan?
Rosie.
Okay, so it's nice to see you again, Rosie. So for our lesson for today, so are you ready? Are you ready for our lesson?
Yes.
Okay, I am ready. That's so nice. Okay. So for our lesson for today, Rosie, so we have here the lesson material about yes, that's our lesson material. So the look 3, which is National Geographic Learning. Okay. So let's proceed into the first page. Okay, let me just open. Dun,
Yeah.
dun, 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 dun. Okay, so move the page into page 5. Did you see it? Can you see it? Page 5?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we have the same page now. Do we have the same page? Okay, that's so nice. Oh, let me just move it again. Okay. So now let's have our first activity here. So we have here activity number 1, which is for our lesson 1. So let's read. Let me just zoom in. So since you already have your book there, so can you please read the instruction in number 1? So this one, number 1. Can
Look,
you read? Mm-hmm.
look, what can you see in the photo?
Mm-hmm.
Circle the word, then complete the sentence.
Okay, very good. So the photo here is this one. So we have here this photo. So I think you can see this one. Can you see this photo in your book? This boys, and this is the continuation of the photo. Okay, this one. Okay, so we have here some choices. So let's first read the word bank that we will use to complete the sentence here. So can you please read starting from backpack? Can you see it in your book? Because I think it's very small here in our
Yes.
screen. Okay, can you read the words starting from backpack?
Backpack,
Mm-hmm.
boy, camera, hatching, hat, jacket, jeans, jumping, park, skateboard, street, talking,
Okay, one more time. Let's read this word again. Let's say taking.
taking.
Okay, very good. So the word that you have said is this one, talking. So make sure before you read the word, you analyze it first because there are words that has the same look, but it has a different pronunciation, like taking and talking. So talking has letter L, but taking doesn't have letter L. But still, great job for reading the word bank. So we will have our answers here for us to be able to complete the sentence. So let's go first with our number 1. So based on the picture, what are the three what are the three things that we can see in the picture? Or what are they? There are three. Three what? What is the word? So let's take a look at the picture. There are three. Okay, so we have here one, two, And the last one is 3. So what do we...
3 boys.
Very good. Good job. So they are 3 boys. Very good. And where are they? Where are they? Rosie, where are they?
They
Mhm.
in the park.
Very good. So, our missing word here is in the what? Oh, the
Park.
missing word is park. Very good. So park. Okay, so very good. So again, let's read the complete sentence that we have here. For number 1, can you again read the sentence? There are...
There are 3 boys in the park.
Okay, so very good. So that is our first answer. For number 2, let's have our number 2. This one. Let me just move. Okay. So what is the missing word? So a boy is from the...
A boy is
What is the boy doing? This one. This boy. What is he doing?
jumping.
Okay, very good. So the missing word here is... Okay, let me go
Yeah,
back. Missing word is
jumping.
jumping. Very good. Jumping from... Okay, let's continue the sentence. Jumping from
Jumping from
the...
uh switch.
The yellow... Ah,
Yellow climbing.
let's go.
Sec
Structure. Okay, again, let's say structure.
structure.
Very good. So what is he wearing? He's wearing a... Hmm, what is he wearing? What's this? What's this one? Hmm,
Jacket.
very good. So this is a jacket. So again, let's read the completed sentence that we have here. Okay. So number 2 is a boy.
A boy jumping from the yellow climbing structure.
Mhm.
He wearing jacket.
Okay, very good. So let me just write the answers here. Are you also writing the answers in your book?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, so next, let's proceed to number 3. This one. Okay. Hmm. There's...
There a black
Okay, let's look at the picture. What is this?
skateboard.
Very good. So there is, again, there's a...
Skateboard
What color is the skateboard?
is black.
Very good. So there's a black skateboard. And let's continue the sentence. And
Climb
this one. Okay, it's being blocked by the skateboard. And what is the
and
missing word here? Okay, let's go back to the picture. So what is next to the skateboard?
black and a
What's
backpack.
this? Very good. It's a backpack. Okay. Oh, where is the picture now? Okay, so now let's go back to our sentence here. So let's read the completed sentence. How to move this
There
one. Mhm.
there a black skateboard and a backpack in front of the climbing structure.
Okay, very good. So good job. Next, number 4. Let's proceed to number 4? Okay, one boy
One boy is wearing a
wearing a this one. What do we call this?
jeans
Hmm? This one?
hat.
On his head. Very good. It's a hat. Very good. So one boy is wearing a hat on his
Hat
and
on blue
what is this one? What is the blue? Okay, this one. What's
blue
this?
jeans.
Very good. Okay, so those are the missing words in our number 4. Nice. Very good. Okay, so let's just write the answers. One boy is wearing a hat, and where is it? Okay, let's read again the sentence. Complete sentence. Number 4.
One boy is wearing a hat on his head and blue jeans.
Okay, very good. So now let's go to number 5. Number 5. What's number 5? Let's read. One boy.
One boy
Okay, what is this boy doing?
taking a photo
Very
with
good.
his
What do we call this? That's our missing word. So
camera.
very good. So camera. Wow, good job. Okay. So we have here camera. Okay, again, let's read the words that we have.
One boy is taking a photo with his camera.
Okay, very good. So those are the missing words in our story. Did you write it all? Mhm.
Yes.
Okay. So now let's talk about these words. So let's go first with the word camera. Okay. Do you know what a camera is, Rosie? Do you know what a camera is?
Yes.
Yes. What what do we use camera for?
We use to take a picture.
Okay, we use camera to take a picture. Very good. So that's why in this sentence, so the word here that we have is taking and camera because we take pictures or photo. So both are correct. We can use the word photo or pictures. So those means these are the things that we take when we are using a camera. And next, let's have our next words. So can you read this one? Number 4. In number 4, what is our missing words? It's jeans.
Jeans and hat.
Okay, very good. So we have here jeans and hat. So when we say jeans, so this is Rosie. This is mostly what we wear in our bottom, like this. This boy is wearing what color is this jean? What color is this boy's jean? This one.
It's black.
Black jeans. Very good. How about in the previous photo? This one. What color is his jeans?
It's blue.
Blue jeans. How about this? The other child. What color is that?
It's black.
Okay. So when we say jeans, Rosie, this is what we wear in our bottom. So it is usually a long pants. Jeans are long pants. Okay. And when we say hat, okay, so there are two different things that we wear in our head. We have hat and cap. So do you know the difference between hat and cap? Rosie, do you know what is the difference between hat and cap? When we say let me show you some pictures here. Okay, let me just have some pictures and you will tell me if it's a cap or is it a hat. Okay. Let me go first. Let me just have the pictures first for a while. Oh no, why I'm clicking things. Okay. So tell teacher if this one is how to resume. Okay, this one. So look at, can you see the picture? Can you see it?
Yes.
Can you tell teacher, is it a hat or is it a cap?
This is a hat.
Very good. This one's a hat. How about this one?
It's a cap.
Very good. So the difference between a hat and a cap, so mostly caps, so it has like something here. So it's rounded here, but it has something here. But for hat, so it usually is rounded. So cap only has here that is only one side. But for hat, so it covers mostly of our heads. So like this, these ones are hat and these ones are cap. So when you see something that has like this in front, so that is a cap. Okay, so good job. Okay, so next, let's again move on to this one. This one. So the answer here is skateboard and backpack. Okay. So can you tell me again, where is the skateboard here in the picture, Rosie? Can you circle? Can you circle or no?
Yeah.
Can you circle in the screen? Okay, go. Where is the skateboard? Can you circle or no? No? It's okay. It's okay. So for this one, let me just ask you a question. So
Yeah.
is this a backpack? This one, is this a backpack?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Is this a skateboard?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So when we say skateboard, it is a board. It is a board with four wheels. So most children, especially boys, they use this to play. They use this to play. Is it it's like a bike, but the difference between a bike and a skateboard has four wheels. Bike only has two wheels. Okay. And for backpack, so this is a school supply, a kind of school supply. Do you have a backpack, Rosie?
Yes.
What color is your backpack?
It's blue.
Oh, it's blue. And what do we use backpacks for? Why do we have backpacks at school? What do we put in our backpacks?
Put the pencil case.
Very good. So we put pencil case, pencil. Do you have a notebook?
Yes.
Yes. So the things, we put the things that we have at school in our backpack. Okay. So those are backpack and skateboard. Okay, and next, let's proceed into our next word. So this one. So what is our word here? Number two, it's ju- the word
Jumping.
jumping and wearing a
Jacket.
jacket. Very good. So in here we have the word jumping and jacket. Okay. For jumping, so like this. Again, what is the boy doing, Rosie?
The boy is jumping.
Very good. The boy is jumping. And how do we jump? Do you know how to jump?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So do you know? So that is what jumping is what we do, especially when we are playing in high places. Like for example, in this, like for example, playing skateboard, especially when we are playing in some courses. So we need to jump for us to be able to prevent the courses in the skateboard. Okay, and also there are some games that we need to jump. Do you know jumping rope? Do you play jumping rope? Jumping rope. Ah, no, really? Okay, let me show you some picture. Jumping rope. Like this. Ah, you don't know this one? Jumping rope? Um, this is how you play this one. Yeah, so you jump, jump. So you use
Mm,
a jump rope. So you jump and you know this one? Do you play jump rope?
yes.
Yeah, so this is one of the famous games that requires or needs we need to jump when playing this game. And next, so we have jacket. So when do we use Rosie? When do we use jacket? When do we use jacket? Do we use jacket when it is hot?
No.
No. When do we use it? What weather do we use a jacket?
We use in
We use jacket when the weather
is cold.
very good. The weather is cold. Very good. In your place in Vietnam, do you have a winter there? Do you have
Yes.
a winter? Oh yes. And do you wear a jacket when it is winter season? Do
Yes.
y- yes, that's so nice because jackets, it makes our body warm. So that's so nice that you wear your jacket. So good job. So those are our words. And next, so we have here boys and park. Okay. So when we say boys, obviously boys are they are children that are men or boys like this. How about us, Rosie? Are we boys or girls?
Girls.
Okay, very good. So we just have two genders, boys and girls. So they are boys, we are girls. And next, so we have here um park. Okay, so they are where are they playing? Rosie, where are
They they playing in the park.
very good. They are playing in the park. Do you play in the park? Do you play?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, that's so nice. Okay. So good job for our first activity that we have here. So now, let's proceed. Let's proceed in our second activity. So can you please read the direction or the instruction? So let me just
Ask
zoom in. Mhm.
ask and answers.
Okay, very good. Ask and answer. So we have here some questions. So we will do a role play, a quick role play. So we will just ask some questions, and we will use the question, do you have? Okay, so for this question, do you have? So we ask. This one. We ask this question if we want to know if
Sorry, teacher,
someone.
it's about computer.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay. Yes.
Oh, okay, okay, sure.
Yeah. My computer is
Oh,
have
okay,
trouble.
sure. Sure, ma'am.
Okay.
It's okay now?
It's
Yes.
okay. Thank you.
Okay, okay. Oh, let me. Okay, it's okay now? Okay. So for the question, do you have? So we ask this question if we want to know if someone has something. For example, you have a friend, Rosie. Do you have a friend, Rosie?
Yes.
What is the name of your friend? What's the name of your friend? What's the name? Okay, it's okay, it's okay. So, for example, you have a friend and you want to know if your friend has a computer. You want to know if your friend has a computer. So, you will ask your friend, do you have a computer? So, that is how we ask this question. And we have here our answer. If our answer is yes, we answer it by yes, I do. And our friend can also ask us, what about you? So we want to ask, we use this question to ask also if someone has something. But if our answer is no, we can answer no, I don't. Okay, so now let's try to apply this question. So let's have a role play, Rosie. So teacher has a question for you and make sure to prepare a question. Okay, let's start. Mm, let's start with our first question. Do you have a bike, Rosie?
Yes, I do.
Okay, yes, I do. So when you want to ask also teacher, you can say, what about you? So if you want to ask, what about you? So I will
What
answer.
about what
Yeah.
about you?
Okay, no, I don't. No, I don't. Okay, so that is how we answer. Next, how about, do you have a skateboard?
No, I don't.
No, I don't. Hmm. Do you want to ask teacher if I have a skateboard?
What what about you?
What about you? Okay, no, I don't. I also don't have a skateboard. Okay, next question. Um, do you, oh, this one. Let me just move. Next question is, do you have a toy? Do you have a toy?
Yeah.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. Okay. You can ask, what about you?
What about you?
Okay, what about you? Yes, I do. I also have. Yes, I do. I have a lots of toys in my house. Okay, that's so nice. So again, that is how we answer this question, do you have? So again, we ask this question if we want to know if something has something. Okay, very good. Okay, so I think it's already 9:30 in the evening, Rosie. So for this one, I want to on this activity number 3. So write about you and your friends. So we will make this as an assignment. Okay, this will be your homework. Okay, so you will write something about you and your friends. For you to be guided, I would give you an example here. This one. This one. Okay. This one is for the number one. This is my example, okay? So that you will be you will be guided. Okay. So for example, number one, I have a big bedroom. I don't have a television. I don't have a television. She, my friend has television. We all have a big bedroom. Okay. So that is how we answer. So you will write something about you and your friends. What do they have and what do you have? Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any questions before we end? We end our lesson. Do you have any
No.
question with your assignment? Okay. So make sure to do this assignment, okay? So I will check it. I will check it next Wednesday. Okay? Okay, so see you again soon, Rosie. So I hope you will make this exercise, okay? And also, if you can also answer some activities here by yourself, and we will um, check it in our next class on Wednesday, okay?
Yes.
Okay, so thank you very much. You did a great job today, Rosie, because you are able to answer our activity. So good job, and see you again on Wednesday. See you
Good,
again.
goodbye,
Goodbye,
teacher.
goodbye. Thank you so much. And good night. Sleep well.